I'm just outside, sitting on my back deck, enjoying my coffee. It's a beautiful summer's night. A little bit cool. I'm sitting here. I don't know if you can hear them right now, but up in all those trees are all those cicadas buzzing away. And that's one sound from summertime that takes me back to my childhood. I can remember laying out in the yard on a hot summer's day, sitting in the sun, just listening to those cicadas do what they do. That's a sound I'll never forget. It's a sound of summer that I hope I never miss out on. I wish you could hear them right now. I don't know if you can, but I'm enjoying them. I hope you are too.